Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to give you a brief explanation of WordPress and what it is, and I'm gonna tell you how to properly install it and use it. So first of all, let me tell you what is WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system, which is technically a program that you can manage your content such as videos, pictures, and text files and everything. Written in PHP4, supports MySQL and MariaDB. It's been used for many great tech companies, and it has a lot of uses such as blog publishing systems, online stores, and membership sites, and the best use for it is online stores, and it's vastly used on internet as it says here. It's a very useful program and there's a lot to it, and it's very easy to learn. So let's go for it. Before we go to WordPress, I'm going to show you how to set up an perfect environment for working with WordPress. First of all, we need a program called XAMPP, which you can download from this website, Apache Friends. Download the HTML, and if you just type here download XAMPP, the first link that'll show you up, just click it and it'll guide you this page. You should download XAMPP for Windows, for Linux, and for OS X. I'm using Windows, so I'm going for the last link here, 64-bit, and it's as you can see, this is the latest version here. You need to download that. It's really easy to work with, and after you downloaded it, it should give you a link. If I go to this place, this is XAMPP here. Okay, so if you just click on this program, it'll open up an installation guide. Just don't touch these things and let it install this C/XAMPP. As you can see here, it says the selected folder is not empty because I've already installed it in my PC. I just click on OK, and I abort this installation program progress. Now if you open this app from here, it'll open up this control panel for you, and all we need to do right now is just start these Apache and MySQL parts. That's all we're gonna need. MySQL is technically our database, and Apache is the server that is going to run for us, and I've already started them both. And if I just type localhost, it will take me to this page right here. As you can see, it's started and it's running perfectly. Now the next thing that you need to know and to do is you need to go to this website, wordpress.org/download. How you can reach here, just type DLWP, it's a shortcut for it, and go to this page, wordpress.org. Sorry, this is not the link. all you need to do is just go to this page, http www.wordpress.org, and as you can see, just need to click on this get WordPress button. It'll take you to the download page, and you can download the latest WordPress version from here. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to, but maybe when you're watching this video, this is the later version. Just download the latest version that is out there. If you done that correctly, it should give you this zip file, and all you need to do is just extract everything that is here, as I already done it. Everything, this is your WordPress, and you just need to copy this and go to XAMPP that we already installed before, the htdocs folder, and just paste it here. We're just gonna wait for it a little bit. Type localhost /phone shop, and it'll take you to the page. And this is where all it begins, and from this part we will start to configure our WordPress program. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.